Hello, everyone. So today I wanted to go over some options to where, more so for freelancers. There are a lot of people who need freelancing jobs that they can just do, whenever they feel. A lot of people are already familiar with a platform that is called Upwork. They offer freelancing jobs in like writing, design, programming, marketing, and many, many more. And then also, many of you are probably familiar with a company by the name of Fiverr, which they allow you to pretty much showcase your creativity in writing, digital marketing, graphic design, anything that it is that you have a talent or passion for, you can create an account on Fiverr, which many of you do know that. Um, and many of you may also be familiar with People Per Hour, which is also another platform for freelancers that you can create or you can find different projects in different areas that you are really good in. Um, let's just take a trip over to their webpage. So as you can see, the layout here, it gives you all of the services that they do offer that people may have positions in, or if you want to create an account and let people reach out to you, you can do it that way as well. Let's look at their how it works page, because from my understanding, although many people know about People Per Hour, there are still some people who've never heard of it. So what you would do to get started is complete an online application to join the exclusive People Per Hour freelancer community. They do review all of their applications and they are approved by a human, someone out of their moderation team, and they do careful consideration. So they want the best of the best. So it's really great that you bring your best portfolio because it says a lot about you and who you are. But once you are approved, you will gain access to all of the different projects that are available across different communities and also internationally as well. But there are some more that I do want to go over that many people may not be familiar with. Now, another one that is pretty popular is freelancer.com. Maybe you've heard of this, maybe you have not, but like you said, it's the world's largest freelance marketplace. That's why I believe many of you have heard of Freelancer because it's extremely popular. But you can go on here to find work by skill, language, featured jobs, find contests. So like you said, any job you can think of, they have it. And you can save up to 90% and get quotes for free and pay only when you're 100% happy. That's people who want to hire a freelancer. Now, of course, you're someone who wants to earn, so you will select freelancer and then sign up. And like I said, you can find work by these different categories. Simple, and it's just like these sites to me are a lot similar to LinkedIn. You know how you have a LinkedIn profile and you want to show your um, education, skills, things that you've done. That's what you really, really want to highlight on sites like this. The next one is guru.com. Same thing. It is another freelance works website for freelancer jobs. As a freelancer, I recommend those of you who want to become freelancers sign up for all of them. You know, just because you don't get work on one does not mean there won't be work on another. So you definitely want to sign up for all of them. And you will go here to find jobs. And of course, you can search by the categories, whatever it is that may interest you or that you have expertise in or that fits you. And you can go through there. They're just like, it's like a job board, basically. Just like on Simply Hired, Indeed. Now that is Guru. Again, it works the same as the others. Another popular one, 99 Designs. So you are talented with designing different things. You do want to sign up on here. It is by Vista. How it works, and it gives the outline. People hire a designer, start a contest, and it goes into more details. And then there's to get started. If you want to get started, it tells you about collaborating. But of course, in this instance, you will become a designer. So you will go here to become a designer. It's not to be confused with careers. Careers is, which you can go to that if you want, but it's not. Freelancer wise, it's with the company itself, but you would definitely want to select become a designer, fire up your freelancer career, do what you love, get paid for it. So you will select apply. So if you're great at designing, no matter what it is, you definitely want to come to this website, 99 Designs. Next one is called Codable. Now, these are more for freelance work for people that are on the developer levels. So when I give you work from home jobs or jobs in general, I try not to leave anyone out. I try to provide jobs for entry level all the way up to higher levels. So this Codable is another freelance platform. It's the only WordPress freelancer platform. And what they do is match their customers to the best WordPress experts. And they help customers solve any WordPress problem. So if you have experience in developing with WordPress or in general, I would suggest you come to this website in order to get started. And then these are the resources. You can read here how it works, but you will go down to freelancers and select that. The freelancers that they help are designers and developers, content publishers, digital marketers, and creatives. Free estimate, no obligation to hire, 100% risk-free. Come check them out. Now, I'm just showing you guys this website just in case this is something that may interest you. Now, I have myself has done this one in the past, and Text Broker is a website for freelance writers for content creation. And now I'm going to be 100% transparent with you. They don't pay a whole lot, but they do exactly what they say they're going to do. If you select a project and you want to write about it, you have a certain amount of time, and then whatever it says that it's going to pay you, that's what you get. But if you're looking for something like some extra pocket change, you can definitely come here. Now here is the last one I wanted to go over, which is Toptal. You can apply and join this freelancing website as talent. They do have top companies you can work for, such as Motorola, Bridgestone, USC, Cleveland Cavaliers, T Systems, and top talents are normally hired in business, design, marketing, and technology. Yeah, I would not waste time. You can either sign up with your LinkedIn here, or you can manually apply. But just a little brief, Toptal is an exclusive network of the top software developers, designers, marketing experts, management consultants, product managers, and project managers in the world. Top companies do hire Toptal talent for their most important projects. So there's also something else to point out. But that is all I wanted to go over today, was those websites where if you're interested in freelance work, you can certainly sign up for those websites. But I'm going to come back with a part 2. And in my part 2, I'm going to go over different companies that are looking for freelancers as well, as opposed to the freelance websites. I just want to make sure I cover all of the options out there. So we will be there for a part 2 on that. Stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Bye.